Samsung is gearing up to launch its all-new mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy M56, exclusively through Amazon India on April 17th. And it's shaping up to be a sleek and powerful contender that builds upon the recently released Galaxy A56 while carving its own identity, featuring a noticeably slimmer 7.2mm design that still manages to pack the same reliable 5,000 mAh battery at just 180 grams. This device introduces a brighter and more immersive viewing experience with a Super AMOLED Plus display that's 33% brighter and flaunts 36% slimmer bezels, enhanced with Samsung's Vision Booster technology for stunning visuals even under direct sunlight. Durability get a major upgrade too, thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, offering 4x more strength than its predecessor, the M55, and providing drop resistance up to 2 meters. Now that's resilience you can count on. The camera system truly stands out with a 50MP primary sensor featuring larger pixels for enhanced clarity, an 8MP ultra-wide lens for expansive shots, and a 2MP macro lens for intricate close-ups, while a 12MP front camera rivals some of Samsung's flagship devices in terms of performance and sharpness. But what steals the show is 4K 30 frames per second 10-bit HDR video recording supported on both front and rear cameras, a premium feature rarely found in this price segment, delivering cinematic quality right from your pocket. Samsung's AI-powered ISP ensures cleaner, sharper photos with less noise and also supports a 2x zoom portrait mode for professional-looking shots. On the hood, the Galaxy M56 is expected to run on the Exynos 1480 processor, the same one seen in last year's Galaxy A55, and while performance may be slightly below the M55, it should still deliver a seamless experience for everyday tasks and multitasking. With Android 15 and One UI 7.0 straight out of the box, users will enjoy a fresh and responsive interface. And a promise of up to 6 major Android OS updates makes this a smart long-term investment. While the exact RAM and storage configurations will be confirmed at launch, expectations are high for options that offer flexibility to both casual users and power users alike. Overall, the Galaxy M56 strikes a compelling balance of premium design, camera innovation, durability, and software longevity, all wrapped into a stylish mid-range package set to make waves in its category. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, feature-packed smartphone that punches above its price point, keep your eyes on Amazon India on April 17th. The Galaxy M56 might just be your next big upgrade. For more updates, hands-on reviews, and all things tech, don't forget to subscribe to TechVerse, where innovation meets information.